Sauria Bolala as the begin. Quincy in second, Bini in third, double time. Shinshiro also moving up, then followed over by the Barrister. Aliasim comes next. Quincy Olala fighting it out for the leader, and in third position moving up now, double time. Bini in fourth position, Shinshiro, the Barrister, and Aliasim. Quincy Olala keep on fighting it out for the leader. Double time still in third, Bini in fourth position, Shinshiro. Quincy Olala double time. Maria outside the Barrister, Maria outside fourth. Bini Aliasim, Shinshiro, and Pendant as the field turns for home. Quincy double time fighting it out for the leader. The Barrister outside. It's now double time. Quincy, the Barrister outside. Pendant with double time, this time by about 2 lengths. The Barrister outside, but it's still double time. The Barrister, and finally it's double time.